Guangzhou Yihong Jewellery Company Limited is a professional jewelry company offering silver jewelry, gold jewelry, and brass jewelry. Our purpose is to make our customers satisfied by offering suitable, fashionable, and affordable products with MOQ2PCS as a start of a long-term cooperation. With a wide range, trusted quality, and stylish designs, our products are extensively used by customers or famous brands from all over the world. And most of them enjoy this one-stop service very much because working with us is very simple and easy. Send requests and pay. The rest you can 100% rely on us. What's more, we have a very strong developing team who can offer more than 8,000 very good new designs every year, and all of our clients can have a big advantage from these new designs we send every day, every week. We are also the first factory who has own IT department, and we put a lot of energy into developing the IT system. Just hope we can control better of the production line under the system data and offer the best service to our customers. Rich production experience, more than 30 QC, fast CAD within 24H and more than 200,000 PCS finished products per month. 1H Jewellery is totally a different jewelry supplier from China. Be confident to work with us and just try from samples with us from now on. We will be your strong backing.